Hi there and welcome to Fabrizio's Kitchen. Today's short video will be a tutorial on how to make the most of Thermomix's Cookidoo. Now, if you're not familiar with Cookidoo, Cookidoo is the online recipe platform which gives you access to over 70,000 recipes worldwide, and that's 70, yeah? A lot of recipes. So now, just to give you an idea, back in 2019 when the TM6 launched, we only had and when I say only had, it's still a lot, but we only had access to 40,000 recipes worldwide. So 2 years on, we got an extra 30,000 recipes. So why is that? The answer is simple. Each Thermomix country develops ever so often new recipes which eventually get uploaded on Cookidoo. It can be accessed from your Thermomix TM6 touch screen, as well as your smartphone, tablet, and also your home computer, of course. So let's have a look at Cookidoo. As you can see here on my TM6 touch screen, I've got this lovely message, which is a personalized message saying, "Hello Fabrizio, what would you like to cook today?" And right below, I've got a search box, which works just as any search you would do online, okay? And you can type in, you can see my recent search actually, you can type in what you would like to look for example, salad, which is my recent search. If I were to type salads there and press search, you can see I'm presented with many recipes available. Now, you'll notice here, I've got the same recipe, broccoli salad, repeated 3 times. Reason for that is that different countries have most likely adopted the same recipe. So for example, the pizza dough will be available in the same format in different countries. That's the reason why the same recipe would possibly appear more than once, okay? Now, if, like myself, you've got selected in your setting, in your search settings, more than one country, as you can see here in the filters, I've got 13 because I've got language settings and I've got country settings, okay? So then you're more likely, like myself, to find the same recipe more than once. So I've got here, for example, a few languages, Italian, Greek, English, and so on. Also some countries which I've selected as default. So every time I do a search, I'm presented. See, I've got Singapore, Switzerland, South Africa, Canada, Greece, Cyprus, Italy, UK, and so on. So that's the reason why when I do a search and I type in salads, for example, I get salads from the UK, from the US, from Australia, because I've selected those countries in my default search settings. But you don't have to. You can also reset the filters, okay? And you can do that from your app, or you go to filters and untick all the countries and languages that I've got ticked, for example, right? And you just reset the Thermomix to do a basic search to the country you registered in, i.e. the UK, for example. Now, apart from doing a search by recipe, you can also do a search by collections, and we'll see that in a second. But let's say you've looked at this recipe, and it's a salad with bacon, watermelon, and you like to make that today, you like to cook that today. So all you can do is just go into these 3 little dots and add the recipe to today's meal plan. Okay, so the recipe's been added to today. You can also add it to your shopping list, which means you can then go on your Cookidoo app and do your online shopping directly from the Cookidoo account. Yeah. And you can also bookmark the recipe here for later use. So you might want to do that tomorrow or next week. Okay. Once you've planned the recipe in your weekly planner, you can also change the date to a different date that suits you best. You can also do, as I said before, a search by collection. So instead of looking for recipes, you're looking for collection. So in this instance, again, I'll keep the setting as salads. So I'm presented with all the salads, which are available, salads collections, which are available on all the countries which I've got selected. So you can see I've got whole food cooking, that's an Australia collection, summer buffet, it's a UK collection, and so on. Super salads, and then you can scroll down and you will be presented with this lot more icon. So you just tap on that, and then you can see many other salads here. These ones are all plant-based recipes featuring salads, of course. There's also, you see, there's a French collection in French because I've got France selected in my countries. Okay, so that's very, very easy. Now, if you're using Cookidoo, you know that you have a membership. Okay, in the UK, when you buy a Thermomix, you get 6 months free subscription. Once that's up, you get a message from Volwork telling you that your membership is due to expire, and if you wish to renew it. But if you want to check when your membership is due to expire, you can just go to settings, and you can see Cookidoo account, and you will see when your membership is due to end. So mine is expiring on the 1st of January 2022 rather. So if we now go back to the My Week section, which features my weekly planner, see, as you can see, that's what I've planned for the next days. I'll see the recipe which I added just a couple of minutes ago. Okay, so the salad is there for me to start cooking, so I can start cooking, or I can also change the day and move it to another day. In fact, you'll be presented with a calendar when you do that, and you can even move it to another day further down the line, even go all the way to next year. You can see February 2022, March indeed. So that's maximum flexibility in deciding when to actually cook the recipe you add it to your planner. As you can see, it's always important to make a weekly planning because you know those recipes beforehand, so you can actually do your shopping beforehand, and then, you know, come the day, perhaps you didn't have time to purchase all the ingredients, or you don't have time to cook it, then it's handy to actually just postpone the recipe and move it to another day. If you don't want to cook the recipe altogether because you changed your mind, you can just remove the recipe like so, and that's gone. Well, I hope this tutorial has helped you, and I hope to see you soon for more videos on Fabrizio's Kitchen. Thank you. Bye.